In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a habit tracker. If you want a simple, reliable way to stay consistent with daily routines, this walkthrough will get your tracker set up quickly and clearly. Start from your ClickUp workspace overview. Inside your spaces, look for the plus icon. This opens options for creating or adding to your setup. Choose templates. Using a template is the fastest path because the structure, lists, fields, and views is already organized for you. You'll see a library with lots of ready-made options. In the search bar, type Habit to filter the results. This brings up templates designed specifically for tracking habits, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. When you see a habit tracker you like, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name your list. Pick something that keeps you motivated and crystal clear. Short, action-oriented titles work well. Once you've named it, click Use Template again to create the tracker in your space. If a quick starting guide appears and you're new to this, take a moment to read it. It explains the key pieces of the template so you understand how everything fits together. Next, switch to the board view. This is your main visual view. Think of it like a Kanban board where tasks move through columns as you work on them. It's a great format for habits because you can see progress at a glance. Now let's add your first habit. Click Add Task and type the habit you want to track. Keep the name simple and specific so it's easy to recognize each day. After naming it, open Add Priority. Setting a priority helps you manage what matters most and prevents your tracker from becoming a long, unfocused list. Choose a level. Let's pick high for something you want to protect time for, and click Save. Add another task the same way. Click Add Task again and type a habit you've already completed today. This gives you an immediate win and shows how the board will look as you make progress. Click Save. That's it. Your habit tracker is live. The template gives you structure. The board view keeps everything visual, and priorities help you focus. As you use it, keep your task names consistent and clear, and update the board as you go through your day. With this setup, you're officially on track to managing your habits more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy habit tracking.